What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Shane and welcome to another episode here on 5-Star Cars, where I just give my thoughts and opinions about what's going on in the car community on YouTube. No, I'm not news, it's a discussion channel, guys. So if you like this kind of stuff, do get involved, smash the subscribe button. We're aiming for 2,000 subs by the end of the year. Hopefully get a project car in the summer as well with your support. And get involved, comment below, because I do bring up your comments every Sunday. I make a video of your comments, basically what you said, and just round up the end of the week of the car chat as well. Also, guys, please do suggest of any car channels or modifying car channels that are under 1k subs or under 10k subs, or if you're a car channel yourself, you know, let me know. And if anybody's interested on coming on the channel for a chat on a Zoom call or something, yeah, do hit me up on my Instagram as well, because it'd be great to have you on here, you know, just to have I want to turn this into a discussion channel. And also, guys, we will have the interview with Life at NE. It's going to premiere on Saturday, so keep an eye out for that as well. So who's on today's episode? We're going to be covering TJ Hunt, Sports and Touring, and Matt Armstrong, and a few others, so we'll just jump straight into it. First off the bat is a huge congratulations to Matt Armstrong. His latest video, he has purchased his first Lamborghini, and boy has he's after getting an absolute stunner. He's gotten a Gallardo 560-4, a 2012. It's an E-gear. Guys, you know, the reason I love his channel so much is because he basically started from, you know, ground zero and worked his way up by, you know, taking a car, modifying it, and he's done the pattern of the car. Like when you're in the car scene on YouTube, he's done it the correct way. I love the way he modifies cars. I love the way he just does basically his channel. It's very uplifting. If you haven't subscribed to his channel, guys, I highly recommend going and checking it out. I love the way he just modifies his cars, and there's always content there. You know, and it's well deserved. I'm delighted for him for getting the Gallardo. I cannot wait to see what he's going to do to this car. He says he has some huge plans for it, so I can't wait to see what he does. I have messaged him to see if I can get him on the channel for a podcast. Look, guys, if you don't try, you don't get. So hopefully he'll reach back to me and say, yeah, it's worth a shot. But we'll see. You know, all I can do is ask. If we get him on the channel, it'd be great just to chat to him and pick his brain about how he modifies cars and why he picks them and stuff. So yeah, guys, congratulations to Matt Armstrong again for getting his new Gallardo indeed. Next up is going to be Sports and Touring. Their latest video is probably one of my favorite videos they've done so far. They've made a video basically comparing the different generations of R8 with the different gearboxes inside it and how they feel about the gearbox with Anthony and his son. Obviously the first one is the 2008 gated manual. The second one is the Tronic, his own GT Spider, that's his own car. And the third one is the latest R8 as well. So it's a great review, and kind of you can really hear the difference in them, and the way they need to be the way they need to shift through the gears, especially between the GT and the latest R8 as well. I think it's the Tronic, because it's dual clutch. But here is a quick clip for you guys, just showing you some of the stuff that Anthony has done here. It is epic. There you go, guys. Comment below, let me know. Get over to their channel, link in the description below. Check it out, the video. It's well worth the watch. Highly recommend subscribing to his channel. The content's only going to get better with Anthony. The way he just shoots his videos is brilliant. I love his GT. It sounds so sick. Yeah, I highly recommend going over to their channel and subscribing and checking out their videos, because yeah, I know we're going to get more great content out of him as well. Next up is going to be TJ Hunt, guys. He has gotten basically his latest purchase for his Huracan, as he says. The Huracan, he's bought a new wide arch kit from 1016 Industries. I went onto the 1016 industry site. I don't know if that kit is for sale on it. I Google imaged it and I couldn't see which exact one it was. But it looks like it's going to be really epic. You know, that's the thing about TJ Hunt and Matt Armstrong that I like. It's the modifications I would go for. I love seeing what kits they get and if they go wrap or, you know, whatever they end up doing, you know, and what wheels they go with and exhaust systems and suspension. And this kit is going to look pretty sick when it's finished, I feel. Like TJ just knows how to modify cars. You wonder if he'll ever end up making his own wide arch kit someday for the higher end cars with the Street Hunter kit, but you never know. I'm very interested to see how this turns out. Comment below, guys, and let me know what colour you think he is going to go on the Huracan. Will be interesting. I can't wait to see it get done, but I'll definitely be covering more often because I'm very excited for this project. If it's anything like the 458, it's going to be pretty epic as well. Next up is going to be Savage Garage, guys. So Jimbo has finally replaced his Murcielago that he had an unbelievable amount of issues with. He's gone away and bought an Aventador. Now, it's a really nice Aventador. I love the colour. You know, it's beautiful. He had to get rid of the Murcielago. I think he said he put 70,000 repairs into it. That is insane money. Like, you know, if you had that 70,000 on top of what you bought the Murcielago for, I'd say, yeah, he's in Aventador territory, all right. I'd say he probably just traded it in or sold it or whatever. Now the question is he going to modify this Aventador? What are his plans for it? It's on his Savage Garage clips. It's a smaller channel that he does shorter clips, and I'm really excited to see if he does modify this car. I love Aventadors. I would love to be able to get one day. I'm very jealous of him, but I have to congratulate Jimbo indeed, because you know, it's, you know, to go from the Mercy up to the Aventador is a big step, and for the issues he's had, hopefully now, touch wood, no more issues for Jimbo on this. So let me know below in the comments, guys, what you think of his new purchase. It looks like everybody's getting Lamborghinis these days. They're all purchasing them and modifying them. There doesn't seem to be that many Ferrari, a lot of Ferrari builds out there at the moment. So yeah, it's well done. We should keep an eye on the channel and see what he does as well. And last up on the list is going to be Flying Wheels. I highly recommend, guys, going over and checking out this guy's channel. He's flipping $400 up to a Ferrari. I've been following every episode he's done. If you're sleeping on this and you haven't watched it, definitely check it out. I find it so interesting that he goes to these lots and basically finds a car, paid $400 for it, got it fixed up, sold it, bought two cars, fixed them up, sold them, and the issues he has going along the way. He literally just sold an SS Trailblazer. Know nothing about them, to be honest, I have no idea about them, but he fixed it up amazing and he sold it for $10,000. So it's going to be cool to see now he's getting into the good money and buying cars that he can fix up and flip for a higher profit. If you've seen the video, guys, or you checked out his channel, let me know in the comments below what you think of it. Be highly interested to see what you say, but I'm really enjoying it. I hope you are too. I just said I'd bring it up because it's definitely worth a watch indeed. So that is it for today, guys. Thanks very much if you've watched the end. As usual, like squad, all my regular commenters. Don't forget to subscribe also. And yeah, guys, until the next episode, stay safe, peace out, and keep it lit.